Okay, so in today's video, we're going to take my used Dell, I think it's 8930 desktop computer, Windows 10 computer, and we're going to upgrade it from 16 megabytes of RAM to 64 megabytes of RAM, which should be coming in the mail any minute now. So the first thing we have to do is open the case. And you pull up on this lever, and this comes up. And there's the door, or the side panel. The next thing you have to do is disengage these locks up, then grab here, I think also this, and this whole chassis swings away. And so inside there is your RAM. That's what we're going to be taking out and replacing with. We're taking out the 4 4s and replacing them with 4 16s. So here's the new RAM. I got 4 sticks of this, and we're about to take out the old RAM. All right. I'm going to take my big shirt off so I can get my arms way down in there. Okay, this side's out. Now this side. Alright. Looks like they're all free, except for that one right there. And that one. And this one here. Okay. They're all free. Okay, those are out. Okay. Okay. That's 2 of them in. This one doesn't look in. That's in. That's in. That's in. This one's not in. That's not in. I guess I need the flashlight. Yeah, that one's not in. All right. They all look in. Looks good. Now, this goes back down. Okay. I think we're all back together here. Thank you for watching, and thank you to all my subscribers.